Hello there! Have you ever wondered if there was a way, some sort of formula that you could use to heal your brain if it was ever harmed? Well, your brain can be harmed in many ways, like accidents and strokes. And today I'm gonna teach you how to manage your brain and improve it in case you've just had a stroke or a brain accident and you need to heal it back, to get it better and to improve your health. These tips also work if you just want to take care of your brain, because everything I will teach you here can be used on a healthy brain to make it even healthier. So let's start with the morning routine that will help you. First, you need to understand neuroplasticity. Let's start by understanding what happens in the brain after a stroke. Strokes can disrupt your brain's neural connections, but the good news is that your brain is capable of healing through a process called neuroplasticity. This means that it can rewire itself, forming new pathways that regain function lost due to the stroke. Every activity you do can potentially strengthen these new connections or make them weaker. Now, we're gonna craft your morning routine. Let's build a morning routine that stimulates these neural pathways. We start with a mindful meditation. You begin your morning with a 5 to 10 minutes of meditation. This works in calming your mind and reducing stress, creating therefore a positive environment for your brain to heal. In sequence, we will start with some physical activity. You engage in light physical exercises such as walking, stretching, or yoga. These activities do not only help with your physical recovery, but also promote cognitive health by increasing the blood flow to the brain and releasing neurotropic factors that support neuroplasticity. In sequence, you need to have a breakfast, you need to eat something. You can start by eating nutritious food that includes elements like berries, nuts, and whole grains. And it's also very important to eat fish because they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that are fundamental for your brain to work and heal properly. These foods are known to support brain function and overall health. In sequence, you start having some cognitive exercises. You dedicate some of your time to brain games or cognitive apps. Activities like puzzles, memory games, or even simple arithmetic can activate various parts of your brain, aiding in cognitive recovery and memory. Now, I'm gonna tell you why you need to have a routine, why you need to establish something that you're gonna do daily and repeat it until you have it by heart. It is important to have a routine because this consistency, this repeating the same things daily, has a massive benefit on your brain's recovery. Because regular activities reduce the need for decision making, allowing your brain to focus on healing. Repeating these activities daily on the same sequence helps to strengthen the neural pathways and rebuild it using your brain's neuroplasticity. Now I'm gonna teach you some fundamental recovery advice. First, hydration. You need to drink plenty of water through the day. Hydration is crucial for maintaining optimal brain function and aiding in the recovery process. In sequence, it's important to incorporate social activities into your routine because social interaction is fundamental for your brain. Engaging with family or friends can improve your mood and cognitive abilities, providing essential social and emotional support. It is also important to have repetition and practice, as we talked about before. Emphasize repetition on your exercises. Repeating movements or tasks can enhance the connection strength in your brain, making it easier to regain lost functions. Now we're gonna go to advanced tips for stroke recovery. We start with exercise. Exercise has been talked about before, but I put it here to explain a little bit more why it's important. Adding exercise to your stroke recovery is very beneficial in promoting neuroplasticity because there's scientific evidence that indicates that exercise helps to prevent neuron loss in key areas of your hippocampus, which is the part of your brain that is involved in memory and learning. In addition, there are other studies that indicate that exercise plays a role in new neural formation in the hippocampus, For instance, there is a 2021 study that is called Born to Move, a review on the impact of physical exercise on brain health and the evidence from human-controlled trials. This states how physical exercise can boost brain plasticity through the impact on a brain-derived neurotropic factor, which is called BDNF. This is a protein that impacts nerve growth, functional connectivity, and the basal ganglia, which are a part of the brain responsible for motor control and learning. Studies suggest that getting at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio exercises like walking, dancing, or swimming per week, in addition to a minimum of 2 days of strength exercises, such as lifting weights or performing body weight exercises like push-ups, is fundamental to help your brain heal properly. So you need to do exercises not only in the morning, but later in your day too, so you can have these 150 minutes per week. It's also important for you to monitor your progress. You need to keep a journal of your activities and improvements, because tracking your progress can help you understand how your recovery pattern is going and adjust your routine for better results. It's also fundamental to have patience and be persistent. Recovery is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small victories and stay committed to your recovery goals. Implementing these steps into your morning routine can and will significantly enhance your brain's healing process and improve your quality of life after a stroke. Each day is a new opportunity to advance on your recovery journey. I thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it to help other people. Remember that your like can help save lives. I loved having you here, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.